In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank rules in QuickBooks Online using the browser interface. Bank rules are shortcuts that automatically categorize downloaded bank transactions. They're powerful, but over time you might outgrow a rule, create a duplicate, or simply want a cleaner list. I'll walk you through exactly how to remove a rule in the browser version of QuickBooks Online, step by step, so you can keep your books tidy and accurate. First, open your web browser and log in to QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one, and that you have the right permissions to manage banking rules. Once you're in, look to the left side navigation panel and click Accounting. This takes you to the accounting tools and settings related to your chart of accounts, and in this case, your bank rules. Next, select Rules. This opens the Rules table, where all of your existing bank rules are listed in rows, showing the rule name, conditions, and the action they perform. Take a moment to locate the rule you want to delete. If you have a long list, you can scan by name or review the conditions to be sure you've got the right one. Double-checking here helps prevent removing a rule you still need. When you've found it, move your pointer to the right-hand side of that row, in the Actions column. You'll see a small arrow pointing down. Click that arrow to reveal the available actions for this rule. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, just to make sure this is intentional. Read the prompt, and when you're confident you've selected the correct rule, confirm the deletion. If you were expecting to edit rather than remove a rule, remember that deletion is permanent and best used when a rule is truly no longer relevant. It won't change any transactions you've already reviewed or accepted. It only stops the rule from running on new downloads. If you're uncertain, take a moment to review the rule's conditions and payee details before proceeding. After you confirm, the rule is removed from the list immediately. Any future bank transactions will no longer be evaluated against that rule, which can prevent unintended categorizations. If you ever need a similar rule later, you can recreate it from scratch using the same criteria. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Accounting, open Rules, find the rule, use the Actions dropdown, select Delete, and confirm. Keeping your rules list lean makes reviews faster and reduces mistakes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.